Simantini, and right now I am here with Ram Ganesh at the Woodbridge community in Redmond in front of Sangeeta and Shree's peaceful abode, which is right now not so peaceful. Can you hear those loud music happening inside? Exactly, the music rehearsal is happening right now. And shh, these guys are not even aware that we are here to capture some snippets of their practice sessions. So let's go inside and find more about it. By the way, Atul, last year there was a rumor, and I thought I would see you here this time sing. Um, Dosto, friends also know him as a good singer. So, how is your singing coming along, Atul?
I got a entry-level position in the chorus department, and hopefully, if I get lucky next time, I might get a line or two in a group song, and you know, and then if maybe I थोड़ा सा मक्खन लगाऊंगा अगर संगीता और मधु को, तो I might get a duet maybe 2-3 years after this, you know.
Hi, Sriram. Describe yourself, sportsman or musician. Which one do you like the best?
Sportsman at heart, and I love music.
Jeet, do you want to say something to our audience?
Sure. By the way, hi, I'm Abhijit Kargudri. We have all worked really very hard to put the show together. Hope you guys are having a blast and enjoy the show.
Right from foot tapping number to O Maji. And of course, how can I forget your classical concerts? Where do you see the connection and how do you feel about it?
I mean, it's basically I like both kinds, and the two forms of music help me improve the other. Each form helps me improve the other. Classical helps me perform light better, light helps me perform, add more feeling to classical.
Do you have any special message for the budding singers in the Seattle area?
Have a teacher, record yourself, be your own teacher. First of all, wake up the teacher inside you, inside yourself, and critically evaluate your own singing, and try to improve yourself through that.
Then, please tell us more about your musical journey.
So, I started playing drums and stuff when I was 2 years old, and because my mom would always sing, she was always there, I'd always want to kind of hang out with her and play with her, so that's how I kind of got started in music. And then my parents saw that I had some ability, so they got me some lessons. I discovered that I really loved playing them. I've had some success in those areas, but I found that I really love music. So I started playing piano, I started playing drums, and then because I really love music, I started learning other instruments as well. I started playing the bass, a little bit of guitar, some tabla and stuff like that. I'm not very good at those, but I'm working on it.
So Raja, tell us more about your involvement with the group. How long have you been playing with this group?
Well, they've been playing since with Algorithm since 2004, kind of on and off. Played probably like 4 or 5 years now. I pretty much play with Algos. I always play keyboard. It's one of the harder departments because you basically have to do a lot of programming to get all of the. I mean, you have in a keyboard like 64 keys. You have to fit like every interlude, everything, every instrument there is on a song in that pattern, and have to get as close as possible to the original. So it kind of takes a lot of juggling around to get the right tunes and stuff. That's what I've been doing with the group since 2004.
Well, I moved from Chicago, and it's basically the passion for music and the kind of musically rich bands that are available in Seattle area. Okay, this year I did around 12 to 15 shows.
Wow.
A lot of different varieties of music, different languages.
Playing for. And what would those languages be like?
Okay, I played for Marathi, I played for Telugu, I played for Tamil, I'm playing for Malayalam, and of course the Hindi. It's always there.
Sanjeev, then everyone knows you in this area, and I hear that you were one of the coordinators this year. Can you tell us more about how you guys decide what songs to do?
So based on the feedback and response from our past shows, so we have a format in the sense that out of 24 numbers, we have to keep at least certain number of very danceable songs, certain number of melodious songs. So having a right mix of songs is important. Now, at the same time, we have to take care of the individual performance choice as well. And oftentimes, people have very contradicting choices. So some songs, some people like it very, very much, and some others don't like it. So it's a kind of balancing thing. Yeah, obviously, we cannot make everyone happy, but we want to try to make the audience happy. I think that's
Samarth, so first show in the Seattle area. How is their experience so far?
Well, first of all, I'm very new to Seattle. I mean, work brought me here, and then Pratidwani's Meri Awaaz Suno happened, and I happened to win that. And then these guys invited me to join the band, and ever since it was a phenomenal experience. I mean, these are seasoned musicians, so come and meet them every week and then practice. It was an amazingly fun learning experience. The whole process of coming together, choosing so many songs and taking everybody's input, programming the practice sessions, and then practice, refine, and fine-tune all the songs. So it was an amazing learning experience. So I'm loving it.
So how long have you been singing or learning music?
I've been playing the guitar since I was 7 years old. So it's been a long time since I've been playing the guitar. So
Shri is an amazing guitarist and has been the show coordinator for this year as well. Let's hear from him what he has to say about coordinating the show.
आपने सही फरमाया, हर साल कोई अलग अलग व्यक्ति ये रोल निभाता है, तो इस साल मैं और संजीव दा कोऑर्डिनेटर है। कोऑर्डिनेटर का रोल कुछ फिल्म के प्रोड्यूसर से आप तुलना कर सकते हैं कि हीरो और हीरोइन, यहाँ तो सभी हीरो और हीरोइन है, सभी से डेट्स लेनी होती है, सभी को शूटिंग लोकेशन पे लाना होता है और फिर रिलीज़ होती है। तो इस साल कई समस्याएं आती है कभी कभी, जैसे इस साल शो के दिन करवा चौथ था, ये हमें काफ़ी देर से पता लगा, शो के बस 1 महीने पहले पता लगा, लेकिन कुछ निर्णय लेने होते हैं, सभी समस्या सुलझाई नहीं जा सकती है। तो जो लोग नहीं आ सके करवा चौथ के कारण से, उनसे हम माफ़ी चाहते हैं, बट द शो मस्ट गो ऑन। हम आपके लिए सब अच्छा शो हो ये पूरा प्रयास करते हैं, और प्रेक्षक लोग हमें हमेशा काफ़ी सपोर्ट देते आ रहे हैं, so we are very happy with that.
I came to Seattle 10 years ago, 2001, and I've been in Microsoft, worked at Microsoft like pretty much most of the band, and I played drums in Algorithms and Shruti, which is another Desi band which we play in the spring. And other than that, I have 2 kids, keep me busy. That's about it.
My association with Algorithms started, I would say, 1.5, 2 years back, and I started emceeing for them. I'm a singer myself, and I'm still continuing my music lessons, and I'm a Kathak dancer. So acting is something I love to do, and I love to be in front of the camera, and I have done small short films. But emceeing is always fun, and it's been a phenomenal experience so far. So thanks Algorithms, and thanks Asha for having me here, and I look forward to doing more shows.
Hi everybody, I'm Sangeeta. Hi, and I'm Sangeeta too. I'm not Sangeeta, I'm Madhu. I'm Meghna. We are super excited to be performing here today, and we have an amazing mix of songs lined up. And we hope you enjoy the show.
मुन्नी शिला सुनाओ, कोई ऐश्वर्या दिखाओ, ऐसा कुछ करते हैं। देन उड़ी ऐश्वर्या करीना का गाना सुनाओ। मैं इसलिए गाना वो यूज करना चाह रहा हूं, देखते हैं। हां, मैं तो क्या था मेरा, जितना ज्यादा चलोगे उतना ज्यादा गिरने के चांसेस है। तो प्रणव तेरे लिए और द फर्स्ट वन इज जस्ट लाइक टू फोन नंबर टू डायल। हो गई फिर से।
लुक्स लाइक जय तो सच में बहुत ही डीप प्रैक्टिस में है।
अरे यार डायलॉग नहीं याद हो रहे मुझे, तुम्हारे याद हो गए?
ऐसे कैसे होगा जय, ये रहे जय सिंह हमारा MC। जय 12 साल से आप ये शो कर रहे हैं, हाउ डू यू फील अबाउट इट?
Was something magical about the number 12. I just love that. Well, it's been a great experience. और मुझे सरप्राइज होता है कई बार कि लोग अभी भी मुझे झेलने के लिए तैयार हैं, और स्पेशली जो लोग यहाँ पर प्रोडक्शन में।
Correct, right. That's pretty much true.
Hope you guys are having fun at the show.
Here is our audio-visual expert, Pranav Kandula.
Hi.
Hey Pranav, what are you doing here? तुमको तो keyboards पे होना चाहिए।
Yeah, after playing straight 12 years with a band, I thought I'll take a break this year. Trying something different. Hey, but I'm on some keyboards.
Wow, that looks like a really tiny one as compared to those big ones.
Actually, I'm here tonight presenting you with cool audio clips and visuals. Hope you'll enjoy them.
Actually, all the good jokes are his and all the bad ones are mine.
No, Sangeeta. All the good jokes are yours and all the bad jokes are mine.
No, Ashu, all the good jokes are yours and bad ones are mine.
Well, if you keep insisting so much, I just might take that.
Well, on second thoughts, I think all the good jokes are mine.
Oh, well, all the jokes are good, I hope.
And I hope you guys enjoy the jokes. So